How to share WhatsApp group link without admin. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out how we can share WhatsApp group link without admin. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how. So if you want to share WhatsApp group link without the admin, you can follow up these methods on your device. The first thing is you need to head over to the WhatsApp itself, and after that, when you head over to the group in which you have created, when you head over to the group name and go to the section, you can usually find an invite via link. You can use this option if you want to share the WhatsApp group link in your own group. But usually when we head over to the group created by other people, when you head over to this info section, you won't be able to find the section that lets us share the link. So by default, only group admins have the ability to generate and share group links. So if you need to share a group link and not our admin, you need to ask the group admin for the link. You can go ahead and message the group admin for the link to provide you with the link. And when you go ahead and share the link with other people can do it without the admin. So that is how you share WhatsApp group link without the admin. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.